All right. JW. This is the results of the contest I told y'all about. In case y'all don't know, whoever participated in there would have won a drone. Now, I'm just mailing it off, JW. I'm sorry, but I've been working like a madman, and I got done work real late. It was dark, and the post office was closed. So as you see, the day's raining, so I got rained out today, and I was able to rain it. I was able to mail it. But before I mailed it, I hope you don't mind, but I took that sucker out for a spin, man. I just couldn't see giving away something and not try it myself. Because originally I bought it for myself because I wanted a drone. But I said, you know what, this will be a nice giveaway for somebody. So what I ended up doing was I ended up getting a bigger one. I think it's bigger. Well, it looks bigger anyway. But this sucker is cool. Wait till y'all see this. This thing got a separate remote control, and it floats on water. It's waterproof, and also the drone is waterproof, and it can actually dive in the water and you know, stay up under there, you know, so you can get footage in the water. I don't know what I would be using that for, but you know, let's say if I was in the Bahamas, I take a trip somewhere and I wanted to get some footage of the coral reefs and stuff and the pretty fishies under the water. I could just take pictures from above and then just go straight down and dive in and film it all and just start swimming underwater with the drone. I think that was a neat thing to get. And I think this is the only one that does that. So I said, I gotta have it. So yeah, I'm excited to get this drone. And I took that drone out for a spin, man. I like it. I like it a lot. For the price I paid for it, man, this thing is lovely. The only problem is you needed Wi-Fi, and it took me a minute just to get it to work because I thought I had to be hooked up to Wi-Fi. But no, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. Now, this will save you little steps. You know, if you can't read and understand Chinese, well, it is in English, but you gotta look for the English parts. Is hidden in the Chinese. So basically what I did was I turned the Wi-Fi on and I turned the unit on, and something popped up that wasn't there in my Bluetooth before, so I figured it was that device. Plus in the pamphlet it says it will show up as something 720p or whatever. So I clicked on that and turned it on. I downloaded the app. You have to download the app. You got to get one of those QR code readers and scan it, and you download the app and you use your phone to navigate. It has a lot of features. You could actually talk to it, and it'll steer its way. You can talk into your phone and you can say left or right, but they don't advise you to do that until you get comfortable and know how to fly the machine properly. But I couldn't make that sucker work. I'll be honest with you. I hit the ground. I had it hovering, and then I hit the ground. So I said, oh man, I don't want to mess up his new toy. So what I did was I went in the grass and I, you know, kept practicing with it. I almost flew that sucker into the highway, man. But there's an emergency button on your phone that says stop, and the thing drops immediately. But I just hope that it ain't up, you know, so high, and that, you know, you're letting it drop on the ground. If I was you, I'd try to get up underneath of it and then stop it, you know. But anyway, I didn't even read the directions on what the controls were, so I just went at it. And I made a mess of it. It was flying in circles, and I mean, I almost got it down packed, but the battery died. So I think 3 flights I would have had it down packed. But you're going to like this unit, man. You're going to like it a lot. But that's all I wanted to say. Y'all got to check this drone out, man. This drone is cool, man. I don't know if I'm going to start making money with it or not. But, oh, yeah, JW, I meant to tell you. You're going to have to check the laws in your state because it's an aviation law. And the government don't take too kindly of drones that are flying around and, you know, you don't have it registered. So you're probably going to have to register your drone. I don't know if that drone classifies as worthy of registration, but I suggest you seriously look into it because you don't want to get any fines or getting into trouble. You know what I mean? You know, but or casing a joint. You know, you flying over casing a joint, trying to find out if there's a way to get in on the roof or something, or you trying to rob somebody. That's what I'm saying. You're gonna have to let people be aware that you'll be flying that drone around, so that you know you get the proper paperwork or whatever. If you got to get a proper registration, so if the law comes, you can show them that, hey man, I'm authorized to fly this machine. You know, it's all about money anyway. They want you to pay to fly that thing, I guess. Who knows? But there you have it. Macafracka. Peace, peace, peace. Stay tuned for that portable water-fed build from the ground up with the pump spray I told y'all about. I'm going to do some things different, so just stay tuned with that. I got a bunch of fittings coming. Thanks, Clark, for that tip. I got about 30 pieces of push fittings, and they were like $7, man, on Amazon. So if any of you need push fittings, now's the time to go there and do so, because I got a link for y'all on Amazon. Just let me know, comment below if you would like that link. But they got all kinds of fittings, but it's real reasonable. It's better than paying $4 or $5 for 2 push fittings at Home Depot or Advanced Auto Parts, you know. And plus, they got all different sizes. You got about 10 of 1/4 inch, then you got 10 of the 5/16, then you got 10 of the I don't know, some other size. But anyway, there you have it. Peace, peace, peace.